Okay, this is a song by Jayden Decker. I'm a self-taught guitar player, if you want to call me that. And I'm definitely not a singer, so don't hold this against me. I'm just doing the best I can. But if Jayden ever sees this, I'd love if he does a video, a tutorial on how to play that middle part of the guitar that is done. It's like a fill-in right after what's a kid to do when he's thrown to the wolves, and then that guitar comes in, you know, from somebody else, I would assume, but I'm not sure. But if you could show me that, that would be fantastic. Then I'll know that part too. All right, let's try it. I'm not a singer. It's dark and cold on a Friday night, going 62 into 35, trying to make it home when I see the lights flip on. Red and blue light up my face when you step on out of the vehicle case, are the first words that he said to me. How much have you smoked tonight? I said none. I told me saw it in my eyes, lost in a bunch of red, no head for the wise. I've been beat down, I've been bruised, been wrong for you. My naked tenor, no thanks for. What's a kid to do when he goes to the wolves? I walked that night straight and clear in the dead of the night in the northwest end. Another one pulls up 5 feet behind. 4 more rounds and 2 points listed. A good long run, fitted in a click. Triple O's into my hands behind my back. Walked me up to me in the back of the cell we know where I roll my side, smiling over the guilt that I don't have. I've been beat down, I've been bruised, been wrong for you. My name been better, no thanks for. What's a kid to do when he goes to the wolves? That's what I can do. If I was any better, I'd be making money at it. Good job, Decker. Did great, Jayden.